Well, choosing a lawyer to hire can be a little overwhelming, especially if it's the first time you've ever needed one. Attorney Jim Higgins with the Higgins Firm recently stopped by our studio to explain what to look for and why they're the best option if you've sustained serious injuries as the result of another's negligence. Take a look. Jim, great to have you back on the show.
Thank you.
All right, I know a lot of people, when they're hiring a lawyer, especially for the first time, the choice can be really overwhelming.
Yeah.
So there really are a lot of reasons they should hire you and your team. We've met a lot of people on your staff, and they're all really knowledgeable, and they can help folks out.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit more about the Higgins Firm and why they should hire y'all.
Well, all right. Not to sound self-serving. I tell you, I think we have kind of put together a firm that has gained a lot of respect, and we've got a lot of experience here in Tennessee. And you know, we may not be right for everybody, for every injury case or accident case, but I do think we're a firm that you ought to consider, and not just because you see a commercial or a billboard or whatever. So what we've done to try to better serve our clients over the years is we've set up our office into specific litigation divisions. You know, I think focus is important. So I've got a division that does nothing but nursing home neglect cases. I mean, and they know it. Mm-hmm. And they know how to review those files, and we have expert relationships that can help us look to see if there was neglect, should have been prevented, what happened. I have a division that does nothing but driving cases, auto accident cases, car wreck cases. They know how to get, you know, texting records and phone records, and again, we have experts for accident reconstructionists. And I just think that focus in today's time is so important. You know, I think lawyers used to do a little bit of everything, but the law has gotten so complicated and so specific that you need to have a firm that knows the area that your case is in. So if you've got a car wreck case where you're hit by a guy that was on their phone and not paying attention, then I think I have a division that can handle that and does a great job. If you have a family member that was neglected in a nursing home, we've got a division that can handle that. And if it's something that we don't handle, you know, I generally know who does a good job. You know, we have great relationship with other law firms here in Tennessee. And we don't, for those cases, we don't charge you anything unless we win. I mean, all our claims on those kind of injury cases are contingent. We only get paid if we win. And although other firms do that, a lot of firms will require clients to front cost. We don't do that. We front all the cost on these cases, and we don't ask for it back unless we win your case.
It's wonderful, and it's so important to have those focuses. I know you're helping out so many people, and you have such a great reputation and have for so long. You guys have been around for a while. Why do you think reputation is so important?
Oh, you know, we talk about that a lot in our office. I think one way that we kind of start our reputation is not just from the lawyers that we hire. They're not just right out of law school, they're seasoned litigators. And the other thing is our clients. I think our clients reflect a lot of our reputation. Our folks have generally never hired a lawyer before. They've got serious injuries. They're not interested in some frivolous lawsuit. And I think that when we take clients like that in cases like that, it reflects on all of our cases.
All right, and I know they can just give you a call if they think that you all may be right for them to handle their case. All right, Jim, thanks so much.
Thank you.
The Higgins Firm is serving Tennessee. Give them a call at 1-800-705-2121 or check out their website. That's thehigginsfirm.com.